Here's an easy way how you can make over $250 just by working for 10 minutes. Step 1, go to this website and you want to download these free resources that you can use later. Step 2, you want to get your affiliate link from this button right here. And step 3, you want to make some money using the link and this matrix secret code, which is going to generate over $250 in 10 minutes. Now obviously it's not going to be that easy, but this video is going to show you the entire step-by-step method how you can make over $250 just by working for 10 minutes using completely free traffic and without creating any resources whatsoever. You will be able to replicate this method as many times as you want, so there's literally no rooftop to the amount of money you can make by doing this. So first of all, go to Digistore24 and you want to sign up for a free account if you don't have one already, and if you do, just obviously log right into it, and you want to navigate to the affiliate marketplace. Now if you don't want to use Digistore24 for some reason, you can do this for any other affiliate marketplace out there. What you want to do though is find an affiliate product that's going to be paying you a decent amount of money, and it has to have one feature that you can find on the affiliate page of the product. And if you're going to check out this billionaire brainwave for instead, it has a pretty decent affiliate page, but the resource that I'm looking for is not here. That's the reason why I want to filter through a bunch of these products, and eventually you will find one that you can use for this method. For example, this custom keto diet affiliate page has exactly what we are looking for, and if you're going to scroll all the way down here, you can find that you can use these pre-made videos that are available for download, and pretty much what you want to do is find something like this for every affiliate product that you want to do this for. So what you want to do then is just pretty much go ahead and download every single one of these videos one by one, and you want to do that for every single one of these videos. Now depending on the affiliate product you are going to choose, there may be less or more videos, and as you can see for this one you get 10 videos that you can use with this method, but this is going to work with just 1, 2, 3 or even 5 videos or even more, but this is still going to work even if you are just going to use like 1 or 2 or 3 videos, as long as there is a video product that you can from the affiliate page. Also guys, very quick announcement, I still got a couple of spots left open in my coaching program where I'm looking for serious action takers who would like to learn how I'm making anywhere between $100 up to $500 per day with affiliate marketing completely without showing my face using done for you affiliate marketing system. And as you can see right here, last month this system made me almost $15,000 in affiliate commissions on complete autopilot just for setting it up. So if you want to grab yourself a seat and you want to learn exactly how I'm doing this, just go to the first pinned comment right below this video, check out the short introduction that I have prepared for you, and I'm hoping to see you inside. Next, head over to Canva and you want to create a bunch of thumbnails for these videos. For that reason, just go to the search bar and type in there thumbnail, and pretty much what you want to do is choose one of these thumbnails that are going to be representing the product you are going to be promoting. So just scroll through a bunch of these thumbnails and eventually you'll find one that you want to go with. And if you're not going to find what you're looking for, you can also go ahead and customize this text in the search bar, so it's going to give you a little bit more relevant results, and then you can use something that's very easily customizable because we are going to be creating a bunch of these. So for example, let's go with this one right here, which seems like a very easy thing to do to actually customize. So I'm just going to use this template for this. Open it up in the Canva editor, and what you want to do then is just customize it. And you can just go ahead and inspire yourself from the titles of the videos that you have downloaded from the affiliate page. So for example, the first video in the series, it's called How to Start a Keto Diet. So that's how I'm going to customize this template on Canva. I'm going to type in there how to start a keto diet. And pretty much what I'm going to do then is just use different background image for this, so it's going to actually fit the theme. I'm just going to go to the Elements tab and I'm going to search for some photos of something related to diet, and I'm going to choose some of these that are actually obviously that are going to be free, which do not require this paid pro version. And for example, this one could work very well, so I'm just going to position it in there, stretch it out across the canvas just like this, and also I'm going to send it backwards. Just right click on it, send it backwards, and it's going to look something like this. Now pretty much I'm just going to click on share and download this to my computer as a JPEG because I'm going to be using it later, but you don't want to close Canva yet. What you want to do after you create the first thumbnail, you want to go through the entire list of videos that you have downloaded, and you want to create a thumbnail for every single one of these. So pretty much the next one in this list is intermittent fasting and keto, so I'm just going to copy that, go back to Canva, and I'm going to paste the text in this field right here, and also make sure I'm going to position it accordingly. Okay, then I'm going to go find another photo that's going to be fitting the thumbnail, and I'm just going to use something like this, for example. And keep in mind guys, if you do have a paid version of Canva, you can use every single one of these paid images, but I don't want to be doing that because I want to show you how to do this method completely for free, so you don't have to go spending any money out of your own pocket. So let's just say I'm going to position it something like this, then just send it backwards again. Then I'm going to also change the color of this overlay, so it's going to have a different feel to it. And let's go with this orange one, for example. This should work very well. Okay, then just pretty much click on share, download it as a JPEG, and now just let's go for another one, and now just let's go for the next one. Just copy the title, go to Canva, paste it in there, position it accordingly. Okay, then just go ahead and use different photo. For example, like this one, just like that, position it to the background, and also change the color of this overlay, this time to blue. As you can see, I was able to generate a bunch of these thumbnails in just a couple of seconds, literally. So you can go through a list like this in a matter of minutes. And once you're going to do that, you want to download every single one of these. And now comes time for the traffic source. Now what you want to do here is just pretty much go to YouTube, and you want to sign up for an account if you don't have one already. And what I highly suggest you do, that is you're going to create an entire separate account that you're going to theme accordingly to the product that you are going to be promoting. Once you're going to do that, just click on this plus button, click on upload video, and you want to start uploading the videos you have gotten from the affiliate page one by one. Just click on select files, and you just want to upload the first video from the series. Then what you want to do is just head over to this section where it says thumbnail, and you want to upload the first thumbnail you have created on Canva. Just like that. And then also what you want to do is go ahead and in this description, you want to write a short description, for example something like this. And if you don't want to be making stuff like this up yourself, what you want to do is just go to the sales page, and you want to copy something from the sales page that's going to actually make sense, because you are going to promote the exact product this sales page has been created for. So it's going to make sense if you're going to use the text in your description as well. Then what you want to do is just go back to Digistore, go to the product that you have chosen, and you want to get its affiliate link. Just copy the link, then just hop over to bit.ly or pretty much any other link shortener you may want to use, and you want to shorten your affiliate link so it's not going to be this long ugly link. We are going to make it a lot easier. Just paste it in there, and you want to click on create, and you will get your custom shortened link. You want to just copy that and then just paste it into this YouTube description field, and pretty much you want to do this for every single one of the videos that you're going to upload to YouTube from the affiliate page. Once you're going to do that, you want to add in a bunch of keywords. Now to do that, what you want to do is just pretty much you want to add in a bunch of keywords. Now to do that, the easiest and fastest way to do that is go to rapidtags.io, and you want to click on use tag generator, and just type in there the theme of the product you are going to be promoting. Just like that, click on search, and this is going to generate a bunch of keywords that are going to be relevant for the product and for the video, and you can just copy them easily and paste them into this field. Then you just want to go through the rest of this upload process, and finally you want to make sure you are going to make this video public so everyone can see it, and then you just want to publish it to YouTube. This way you are going to get the video out, and if you are going to go to the video description, you can see that the affiliate link is going to be in there, and every time somebody is going to get hooked by this video that you have gotten from the affiliate page, they will want to check out the product. Go to the video description, click on the link, go to the sales page, and if they are going to make a purchase, you are going to get paid your commission. Now obviously this method is not going to make you thousands of dollars very easily. You can use it as a very simple side hustle to set up in a couple of minutes. That's going to be actually generating you money, because those videos are going to stay on YouTube and they are going to be gathering views over time. So every now and then you are going to get a sale and you are going to make some money doing this. So that's it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out the first pinned comment to check out the free spots in my coaching program. Other than that, I just hope you have a fantastic day, and I'm going to see you next time.